Under the subject Transportation Engineering, we mainly cover the method and materials used for construction of a pavement. The materials are mainly aggregates and binder. We have covered four different tests related with the aggregates, and right now we have been going through a different test used for standardization of a bituminous material. Today we'll cover one more test on bitumen, which is a penetration test on bitumen. The aim of this experiment is to determine consistency of a bitumen as well as to estimate the grade of bitumen. Bitumen is used as a binder in road construction work, and penetration, it is the measure of consistency of bitumen. The penetration value quantifies the hardness or softness of bitumen by measuring the depth to which a standard loaded needle will penetrate vertically under the specified temperature under the load for a particular specific duration of time. As per the IS code guidelines, a weight of 100 gram is applied on a needle which is allowed to penetrate the standard field, specifically filled and air cooled, water cooled bitumen sample for a duration of 5 seconds at a standard temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. The penetration test is widely used for classifying the bituminous material into different grades. Now, grades of bitumen. There are mainly three methods by which we can find out the grades of bitumen. One is penetration grade, another viscosity grade, and ductility. The penetrometer equipment is used to apply a standard load of 100 gram through standard dimensional needle on a specific bituminous sample field and cooled as per standard given conditions. The penetration value between 40 to 50 represents grade of bitumen as a PG 40/50, where PG represents penetration grade. Hence, say given sample, when it will be having a penetration value of 44, that means it has penetrated to a depth of 4.4 millimeter. Since the scale on equipment is in terms of 1/10 of millimeter, the 4.4 millimeter will be translated to 44. That is a penetration value, and since this penetration value lies in the range of 40 to 50, the given sample will be assumed to be having a penetration grade of 40/50. Indian Road Congress suggests bitumen grades as 30/40, 60/70, 80/100 for bituminous macadam pavement construction. We'll see the method by which the test is being conducted.
Experiment related to grade finding for bitumen. The name of test is penetration test.
To find out the grade of bitumen, this test was being utilized before viscosity test was being used throughout the field. So this is the initial test to find out the grade of bitumen. Now to find out the grade, why to find the grade? Because consistency of bitumen is an important parameter which will be indicating the flowing ability of the bitumen. And to find out this flowing ability, the current tests are very inefficient. So indirect test, which is called as the penetration test, is utilized to find out the grade of bitumen. What happens? We have poured soft bitumen into this bucket. Then this bucket is air cooled for 1 hour, then water cooled for 1 hour, so that this bitumen is now on room temperature. And then this bucket will be kept below the instrument. This instrument is penetrometer. Now this instrument is having a needle. The diameter of this needle is 1 mm, and this needle is fixed with weight which is 100 gram in weight. And if I release this knob, this weight will be moving in downward direction and this needle will be penetrating within the bituminous surface. So what we are going to do, I have initially set the equipment to higher level. I will set the reading to 0 degree now, 0 degree here, and then I will move this arrangement such that needle is touching the bitumen surface, and I will release the knob for 5 seconds. Under the weight of 100 gram, this needle will go on penetrating itself. While this needle is penetrating by 1 mm, the reading here changing will be 10. So if we check out the scale written here, the scale is 1/10 of mm. So that means for every 4 millimeter, depth movement, reading here it will be 40. So if my needle is going to stay in between the range of say 40 and 50, I will call this bitumen of a grade 40-50. So symbolically it will be represented as a PG 40-50, which indicates grade of a bitumen. Okay, now we will carry out the experiment and see how the penetration will be calculated. Now when needle is released at single position, then approximately at a distance of 10 mm or more, next point of insertion will be taken, so that first reading will not affect the second reading. Okay, so let us continue with the reading. Okay. You can see here I have set the reading to 0. The weight is kept initially to a higher level. Then the arrangement is shifted such that needle just touches the bitumen surface. Now knob will be released for 5 seconds. And now this needle is getting inserted. Okay, there is some problem.
चेक करायचं आता.
Okay.
हे पेनिट्रेशन झालं.
पण वरचं रीडिंग नाही शिफ्ट झालेलं.
नाही ते असं चेक करायचं.
Okay, शिफ्ट करा मग. Okay, it has not shifted under the weight, so the reading currently showing is 140. So penetration grade is in between 130 and 140. Okay, we'll repeat this experiment at a new location. The bucket will be shifted slightly from bottom and new insertion will be done. Again it is allowed to settle for 5 seconds and let us see. Now the reading is in between 60 and 70. Sorry, you will not able to see. Here it is
reading is in between 60 to 70. Okay, let us assume that first reading was erroneous. We'll take one more reading. So we'll take absolutely average of minimum 3 readings to find out the grade of bitumen. Let us carry out. Again it is allowed to settle, and we'll see. Okay, it is in between 60 to 70. So let us ignore the first reading and we'll repeat the same procedure for third time. Bucket is shifted to some different location. We'll set the reading to 0 and press the knob. Here it is. Okay, now we'll shift the indicator. It is in between 60 to 70. So that means we are absolutely sure that penetration value of this sample is in between 60 to 70. It is close to 66, 67 tenth of mm. Unit is, here you can check out, unit is 1/10 of mm. So that means 60 to 70 will indicate 6 to 7 millimeter dip of the needle. So this will experiment, this test is being used to find out the grade of a bitumen. Another method to find out the grade of bitumen is viscosity test, in which bitumen is allowed to flow for specified time limit, and when it reaches to some particular volume, that time limit is measured.